everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm going to be doing another cleaning and decluttering vlog. You guys seem to really like the last one, so I thought I would do like a part 2. I have a lot more that I need to declutter, and a lot of you guys said you'd like to see another one. I feel like by filming it forces me to actually be productive and get it done. I need to really work on my closet today because my closet is just like really stuffed. And I'd love to do a little bit of like closet organizing and decluttering, try to get rid of some stuff out of my closet, like a mini closet clean out. I just have some other areas in my room that I'd like to kind of go through and organize. If I have enough time, I might also do my weekly reset. So that is the plan. I'm also going to make myself a delicious meal with HelloFresh. Let's just go ahead and get started. I think I am going to start off with my closet because that is kind of like the biggest thing. So I think I'm just going to get the biggest thing out of the way first. Also, definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Thumbs up if you like these types of videos and if you'd like to see more on my channel. And comment below your best productivity and cleaning tip. Let's just get into the cleaning. Here's everything I'm getting rid of. I would say the closet clean out was pretty successful. I feel like that's actually quite a bit for just going through like the hanging parts of my closet. Definitely make sure to check out my Poshmark. I'll have it linked below because I will be listing some of these items like the Brandy Melville stuff, some of the American Eagle things I bought. Some of these I'll be giving to my sister or friends. I think I'm actually going to take a short break and make one of my HelloFresh meals. If you guys have not tried a HelloFresh meal, you definitely should. They are so good and also like really easy and convenient since you don't have to go grocery shopping. All the ingredients, everything you need will come directly to your door. Everything is pre-portioned and it's just so easy and convenient. I literally hate grocery shopping, so I love the convenience of it. Every meal is so delicious. I'm literally obsessed. HelloFresh meals have been one of my family's go-tos for a while because they are so good. My sister's roommate loves it. Her boyfriend and his roommate love it. Like literally everybody loves it. It's so good. So if you haven't tried it, you definitely need to see what the hype is about. So I'm going to be making one of the meals and I'll take you through all of the steps and you can see how good it looks in the end, like once the meal is finished. And if I didn't say this already, I'm actually partnering with HelloFresh on this video. So thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring. Let's just get into the meal. With HelloFresh, you get fresh, pre-portioned ingredients delivered right to your door. It makes cooking at home easy, fun, and delicious. Discover seasonal summer recipes like cucumber salad stuffed pita pockets, chicken sausage stuffed peppers, Tuscan spiced shrimp, and so much more. HelloFresh now has 30 dinner recipes to choose from every week. That's the most of any meal kit. I've never had a HelloFresh meal I didn't like. They are truly all so good. My family and friends love it as well. If you haven't tried a HelloFresh meal, you definitely should so you can see why everyone loves it and which recipe is your favorite. One of my favorite and go-to summer recipes is the one-pan fajita lettuce wraps from HelloFresh. They are so good and so easy. They have so many good recipes that are easy and convenient. HelloFresh delivers fresh, quality produce from the farm to your door in less than a week so you can savor the summer flavors right from home. The foolproof step-by-step recipes mean a joyful cooking experience and a stress-free summer. Plus, HelloFresh cuts back on time spent in the kitchen with meals ready in around 30 minutes or less. HelloFresh won't get in the way of a busy day. Stay on track with simple recipes and fresh pre-portioned ingredients that cut out meal prep and trips to the grocery store. HelloFresh offers veggie, pescatarian, and fit and wholesome meals to make it easy to stick to your goals. Fit and wholesome recipes make it easy to eat well without sacrificing flavor, so you can maintain your goals and feel good about your food choices with HelloFresh. One of my favorite things is that you get just the right amount of food, so HelloFresh cuts down on your food waste by at least 25% compared to grocery shopping. I hate throwing out food when I buy something specific for a recipe and then never use it again, so you don't have to worry about that with HelloFresh. It really saves time on planning and prepping and grocery shopping. I literally hate going to the grocery store, so I love that you can make meals that are both easy and delicious without grocery shopping. And HelloFresh is the first carbon neutral meal kit company, and nearly all of the packaging is recyclable. I actually do have a discount, so if you want to check it out for yourself, go to HelloFresh.com and use code EmilyGrace16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. Again, go to HelloFresh.com and use code EmilyGrace16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. I'm going to have that linked below at the very top of my description, so you can just click on that link. Okay, so now that the closet is done, I've made my HelloFresh meal. I'm just going to move on to kind of like all the other things that I wanted to organize. I have like a list on my phone. It's just a bunch of random things throughout my room and my apartment, like my nightstand, my desk, my candles. I just recently picked up a couple new candles from Bath & Body Works, and I realized that I have nowhere to put them. The place that I normally put my candles is like super filled up with a bunch of like half-used candles and like scents that I don't really like. So I think I'm gonna organize my candle collection and just go through there and get rid of any that I don't really like or I don't really use, or like so used up that they don't even like burn anymore. So I'm gonna go through my candles. I kind of want to go through like my desk. I kind of did this in the last organizing and decluttering, but I kind of didn't do it very well. I have a bunch of like random notebooks that I don't really use, so I'm gonna go through all of the like notebooks and notepads and just keep the couple that I use and get rid of the ones that I don't. That is kind of like the next step in this process. It's a little bit later. I decluttered more things, my candles, a bunch of my bags, I don't know, just like a whole bunch of random things, and I'm feeling much better. I actually found a bunch of stuff to get rid of, like a whole bunch of notebooks, some candles, so I feel like each one of those spaces is a lot less cluttered now, so I definitely recommend doing that. I don't know how I've accumulated so many things like jewelry, notebooks, like how has this happened? I feel like I'm better with not buying more than I need. I mean, I do a lot of like clothing hauls, but I feel like that definitely is part of my job as like a fashion influencer. I feel like I am better with making conscious decisions of like, do I need this? Anyway, so I did a lot of decluttering. I don't think I'm gonna have time to do the weekly reset routine today. It's pretty much the end of the day and I still have some other things I need to do as far as like editing and everything. I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow, so I will just check in with you guys tomorrow and we can do the weekly reset routine so you can see everything all finished and clean, because right now my room, it's not really that clean, so I kind of just want the video to be finished off with like a clean room. Okay, so it is the next day. I'm gonna do my weekly reset routine, just like dusting, vacuuming, washing my sheets, like all of that stuff. Obviously I'm gonna take you guys along with, because this is the last and final step of the cleaning process. The first thing I'm gonna do is put my sheets in the wash so they can kind of already start washing while I'm doing all the other steps. So let's just go ahead and do that. I think that is everything. I think I'm all done cleaning. My room is looking so much better and it feels so much cleaner. I'm really glad I took the time to do this. I hope this was motivating and inspired you to be productive and clean if you need to clean. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below your best cleaning tip or some things you like to do whenever you do a weekly reset. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Definitely make sure to check out HelloFresh. I'll have my discount here on the screen. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.